Plastic bottles, a cornerstone of modern convenience, have an intricate history spanning over a century. Let's embark on a journey through time, unraveling the remarkable saga of their creation. Join me as we delve into the depths of innovation and technology. Our story begins amidst the scientific fervor of the late 19th century, a time when inventors and researchers were fervently seeking synthetic alternatives to natural materials like wood, metal, and glass. It was in this climate that the groundwork for modern plastics was laid. One of the watershed moments occurred in 1907 with the discovery of Bakelite by Leo Baekeland. This groundbreaking invention marked the dawn of the plastics era, revolutionizing industries and laying the groundwork for future innovations. As the decades progressed, advancements in polymer chemistry propelled the development of a myriad of plastic materials. The process begins with the creation of a polymer resin, typically derived from petrochemicals. These polymer chains are meticulously engineered and augmented with additives, including stabilizers, colorants, and plasticizers, to tailor the material's properties to specific applications. Here, amidst the hum of machinery and the scent of chemicals, raw materials are meticulously processed and transformed into the foundational components of plastic bottles. It's a symphony of precision and expertise. Once the polymer resin is prepared, it undergoes a metamorphosis within extrusion machines, where it is subjected to heat and pressure, shaping it into elongated tubes known as preforms. These preforms serve as the genesis of the bottle-making process. Through a meticulously choreographed dance of heat and pressure, they are transformed into the iconic vessel we've come to rely on. Following molding, the bottles embark on a journey through the production line, where they are meticulously inspected and tested to ensure they meet rigorous standards of quality and safety. Quality control is paramount in safeguarding the integrity of the products that leave this facility. Every bottle undergoes rigorous scrutiny to uphold the trust placed in our brand. From quenching our thirst with refreshing beverages to storing essential household products, plastic bottles have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives, serving as vessels of convenience and utility. Yet, amidst the convenience lies a pressing concern: the environmental impact of plastic waste. It is imperative that we embrace sustainable practices, advocating for recycling and minimizing single-use plastics to safeguard our planet. As we conclude our journey through the annals of plastic bottle manufacturing, it's clear that the story of these ubiquitous containers is one of remarkable innovation, ingenuity, and adaptation. From humble beginnings in the laboratories of pioneering scientists to the sprawling factories of today, the evolution of plastic bottles mirrors the trajectory of human progress itself. Throughout history, plastics have continually pushed the boundaries of what's possible, offering unparalleled versatility and convenience. They've revolutionized industries, transformed economies, and reshaped the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Yet, as with any technological marvel, there are also challenges and responsibilities that accompany their widespread use. Today, as we stand at the crossroads of environmental awareness and sustainable development, the legacy of plastic bottles prompts us to reflect on the delicate balance between progress and preservation. While these containers have undoubtedly improved our lives in countless ways, they have also left an indelible mark on our planet, reminding us of the urgent need for mindful consumption and responsible stewardship. As we move forward, Let us not only celebrate the ingenuity and achievements of the past, but also embrace the opportunities of the future. Let us innovate with purpose, seeking solutions that harmonize with nature rather than exploit it. Let us advocate for policies and practices that promote recycling, reduce waste, and foster a circular economy where resources are valued and preserved. In doing so, we honor the legacy of those who came before us while charting a course toward a more sustainable and equitable future. Plastic bottles may be just one chapter in the larger story of human progress, but their journey serves as a poignant reminder of our capacity to create, adapt, and evolve in the face of adversity. So, as we bid farewell to this chapter, let us carry forward the lessons learned and the insights gained, knowing that the story of plastic bottle manufacturing is not just about the products themselves, but also about the people, the ideas, and the aspirations that shape our collective destiny. Together, let us write the next chapter with wisdom, compassion, and a steadfast commitment to leaving the world a better place than we found it. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.